Yeah.
Yeah. It took a second. I was doing some things. But we back. It's a new year. And we are back in the Oasis, baby. We back. Everything's still alive. There was a cold season. But that happened. I didn't know how much that was going to affect us. But it did. So that's the bad news. We do have one casualty in our Rose. Our Rose did not make it. But that's life. But the flower lady of the flowers, here got us a nice rose for Christmas. It was supposed to be an episode. It did not happen. I'm sorry. I tried. It didn't work. Today we have, and for the past maybe a week or so, we've had blooms of our beautiful hibiscus, and it's blooming today. We also have, man, I can't, for the life of me, I cannot catch this bleeding heart flower. The bleeding heart flowered, and now they're toward the end. They're still on, but it's almost over now. You got to see them in bloom. The other news of the day, the major news of the day, after a short but somewhat tumultuous road, we are ready for our
You can't believe what you really seen. I made the whole city glow like the video for Billie Jean. I was destined to be fluorescent. I possess it. Guess it's just a finesse that you're blessed with. I feed the real leader skills to the top schools. Indeed, I feel I don't need a grill to drop jewels. Spit flames when I'm vexed.
Sure. I don't know.
What about maybe put this under the
See, that little lift it on where it needs to be.
all of the
These niggas don't get it. I glow. I glow. And what you coming with? That don't sound proper.
All right. So that's our show for today. Yeah, that was harder than I thought it was going to be. But we got her up there. A little stretch. We got her up there. Should roll. Here.